Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to get Memoji on your older Apple Watch, especially on Apple Watch Series 2 or Series 1. The feature that was missing is Memoji that Apple included in the watch in the new Watch OS and the new Apple Watch. But don't worry about it, I'm gonna show you how to get it right now. And all you have to do, you need to have the iPhone 8. And now you need to go into, so this is my Apple Watch Series 2. So like I have here, I have a ton of Memoji on my Apple Watch and they are all animated whenever you raise your watch. So first you need to create Memoji on your phone. So go ahead and go into message, and from message hit on the plus button, and from here it is a bit tricky, so go to here. From this step you need to record yourself, and you need to screen recording while you are doing it. So I'm gonna screen record myself on my phone. So like you can see, I do something like that, and then I can just stop recording. And now going back into your photo app, and from your photo, hit on edit the video that you have just screen record. And now you need to crop it, and crop it like that. And make sure it is perfect, and then hit on done. And now from here, and after you hit on done, after the video is edited, go back, and you need to download the app called Into Live. So we need to convert that video from video to live in order to create an animated watch face. So I'm gonna go ahead and download Into Live from the App Store. From here, make sure you download it. So I have already downloaded, and I can just simply open and make sure on the top select on video, and now select on the last video that you have just crop at the moment. And now like I need to, and here is the part that I want. And then lastly hit on make, hit on no repeat, and now you need to save this live photo. Now my live photo has been saved, so now go ahead and go back into your photo app, and now swipe to the last one that you have just created at the moment. It is a live photo, but one more thing that you need to know is to edit on this one. And then make sure you go into live, select on the live icon here, and you need to set the keyframe that you want to be animated whenever you raise your Apple Watch. Let's say this is my perfect part. Hit on make key photo and hit on done. And now it's time to set it on your lock screen. Hit on the share button, and now scroll down a bit, click on create watch face, and from here select on the photo, hit on add, and then it will be added into your Apple Watch. And just like that, and when you raise your watch, you're gonna see this amazing animated emoji. And I hope this helped, and that's how you do it on your older Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, and then I will see you guys in the next one.